Welcome back to Aqua Platycodon. In today's video, we're diving into the free home inspection scam, a growing threat to homeowners everywhere. Here's how the scam works. A contractor knocks on your door offering a free inspection. They tell you they've noticed something wrong with your roof, pipes, or foundation and claim they can check it out for you at no charge. While this sounds like a great deal, things can quickly take a turn for the worse. A real-life example involves Dan and Lydia Cox, homeowners in Boston. A contractor came to their home and offered a free roof inspection. After a quick look, he claimed their foundation was dangerously damaged and quoted them $6,000 for repairs. But once they paid the money, the contractor vanished, leaving them with unfinished repairs and $50,000 in additional damage to their home. These scammers prey on urgency and fear. After the inspection, they might offer a low price or claim the problem needs immediate attention to trick you into paying up front. In most cases, the repairs are unnecessary, or worse, they leave your home in worse condition than before. To avoid falling victim, always get a second opinion from a licensed professional, especially when a contractor shows up uninvited. Be cautious of anyone who pushes for quick decisions or demands large upfront payments. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon. Stay informed, stay safe, and always be cautious when someone offers something that seems too good to be true.